Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how you can implement image search application with JavaScript. Guys, in this application, I will use Unsplash API for searching the images. Actually, the Unsplash API is a free API that provide facility to search images from their library. So guys, first we will show you a brief uh, overview of our application. Actually, this is our application using the JavaScript. Guys, here we can enter the keyword, like here we have enter the keyword car and it will return the car result, car images. Also we have a pagination like load more images here. So it's a very interesting functionality, interesting project, image search application with JavaScript, guys. So this is the overview of our application. So you can also click on the images and view the images. So now we will see how we can implement this application with JavaScript and using the Unsplash API. So guys, first actually here uh, we need to go to Unsplash developer section. This is the developer section here. So here you need to sign up to the Unsplash API and log in, and then you will have a developer section in which you have a link your apps. You will need to click on this your apps and need to click your own app. Like if you haven't created, you need to create, like here, like you need to check all these and then accept terms and then image search app JavaScript. Like this is the name of application. Here give some description like going to develop image search app with JavaScript. So your application created, like here image search app JavaScript application created, and now you will see the details of this. Actually, here you can see the application ID, Unsplash application ID, and this is the access key, and this is the secret key. So, guys, you need to provide this access key to your code to access the API to search images, search photos. So, this is the access key that is needed. So now we'll start coding. So here I have already created application like image search app in which we have created pages like index.php, index.html, and also we have JS file in which we have implemented the functionality. So this is the search.js file here. So these two are main, and other files like you can see the CSS directory, and also JS directory has bootstrap files. CSS also has bootstrap files and some styles. So the main file is you can see the index.html and set.js files. So now we will first discuss the index.html. Actually, here we have included all the CSS requires CSS file like Bootstrap and other styles, and also included the JS files like jQuery, search, JS. Here we have created a section for search, like search section. Here we created like here input ID in search input with button search. So this is the search section. Like here you can see this is the search section here, like input and button. When we enter nothing and press, so it will display no result found. When we enter something like car or any keyword, so it will display the result. So now when we click on this, the functionality is handled in JS. Actually, we have created a function on button click. So you can see here the button click, like here we have a search button on click, we have called the perform search, same as search input key up, we have called the search perform search. Also somo on somo button we have called perform search. So we have a function perform search here. Here we are getting a search input value here. Actually, you can see the search input here. So we are getting the search input value here into the search input and then calling the search images. So the main method is search images. So this is the search images in which we have a access key here. The application access key means the access key we have described like this, and then we have URL, API URL, api.unsplash.com search photo, and then we have a page here, page 1 2. So the default is 1, and then when we click on the show more, then the pages will be converted to 1 2 3, 2 3 4 5 and more. Also here search input, like search input value and the client access key. This is the access key. Then we have a API request here, and then we have a JSON data, API response data, and then we have uh, getting the API response dot result data into the data, and then we are calling the display search result. So this is the display search result here, in which we have data. We are checking the data raw length. If data there is nothing, no data, we are displaying that no result found here. Like we are displaying the no result found. Otherwise, we will loop through the data and this concatenate the HTML, search result HTML here, like data URL, small description, links, and then finally all data, search result data or concatenated data we set into the input result. Actually, here we have an input result, like you can see here the div container with ID input result, and we are setting the result data. So, and also if there are data, we are removing the class dnone. Dnone means here you can see we have used the dnone for hiding this, and when there is a data, the show more button is displayed, and when we click on the show more button, the more page displays. So now we will see the functionality again here. So when we click without entering the keyword, so no result found, or when we enter, like here we will enter the keyword nature, the result is returned. Here you can see the nature of images. We can also click on the show more button and see the more result here, like you can see the more result here. Yes, so it's loading more results. So guys, you have seen it's a very basic, very simple functionality to create a image application with JavaScript using the Unsplash API, guys. Here we have a very simple HTML, and then we have some JavaScript code that making API request to Unsplash API and displaying the images results with load more, or we can see the so more pages. So guys, it's a very interesting functionality. You can try at your end, and you can develop your own application by enhancing this, by adding more features to images, to your site functionality. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.